असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रो सुमंगलः ये चेमागं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षोषिता सहस्रशो वैशागं हेडैमहे। असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रो सुमंगलः ये चेमागं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षोषिता सहस्रशो वैशागं हेडैमहे। Now same Rudra is expressing as Lord Sun now. Sun is the biggest representative of Lord. Whole seasons revolve around Sun. Plant kingdom is because of Sun. If Sun was not there, life won't be there. Sun is the nourisher also. And Sun is sustainer also. And Sun will destroy also. Sun is a very amazing. Remember I told 1.3 million Earth can be in one Sun. And so amazing. One bulb fuses in few months. Some fuse in 1-2 days only. Some are there, you put on and they get fused because voltage was high at that time. Here this big Sun, you know what is the age of Sun? Bhagavad also says, and science also, 6 billion, 7 billion years. 1 billion is 1,000 million. 3,000 million years. One big mass of ball of light, which is many times bigger than the Earth, is illuminating. Wow. This, somebody will say these Hindus are quite mad kind of people. Why? Everywhere namaskar, everywhere namaskar. River they see namaskar. Plant they see namaskar. Akbar and Birbal were going. So Tulsi was there. So Birbal did namaskar. So Akbar did like this. All the time doing namaskar here and there. Again, another tree was there which started itching if you touched it. What is it called? There is one tree. If you touch like that, the whole thing will start itching. I don't know what is it called. So Birbal, out of fun, he also did namaskar. You got the point? What will happen now? Now Akbar said, what is this? Again you did namaskar. He said, see, don't do anything. That was Mataji. That was Mother Tulsi. He is Pitaji. He is father, don't touch. And he did like that, whole thing started itching. हिंदू हर जगह नमस्कार. और तो किसी को माता बना देंगे, बोले गंगा मैया की जय, यमुना मैया, सबको मैया बना देंगे. चंदा को मामा बना दिया. कोई माता है, कोई माँ है, कोई मामा है. You don't have Mississippi मैया की जय, नाइल मैया की जय. Only these people, they are mad, crazy or what? Sun is so far. They are offering water here. How can water go to the sun? These Hindus quite superstitious. Water, how can water go to the sun? And even if they throw buckets of water also to the sun, it won't go there. And innocent Hindus, sometimes they say, sorry. We don't know what is the principle behind it. Remember one thing. Yesterday I told, if there is something held, there is a holder. I gave the example of the body. If body is held, there is a holder. If the house is held, there is a holder. If classroom is held, there is a holder. If tree is held, there is a holder of tree. That holder is a conscious entity. And that holder is called, in other words, Devata. This is Jiv Devata. Surya, and similarly, if sun is held, Sun Devata, you are not giving water to the outer body. You are giving water, showing water to the Devata. When you offer in front of, supposing saints go, Maharashtra I have seen especially, when saints go, they will put one plank, wooden plank. You know what they will do? They'll say, please put your feet here. They'll take milk. They'll offer milk, they'll offer water. Not to the body. We don't offer namaskar to the body. That is to the Jiv Devata. You are seeing me or my body. You are not seeing me. You are seeing, you are trying to communicate to this Jiv through this body. So that is Surya Devata. Wow, kya big Devata hai. Appreciate it. We live in a very small, well of our own small life. We don't think. We don't think. Somebody says nowadays, cremation also is done by Christians also, Muslims also. They're also doing cremation. You know why? They're also thinking out of the box. Anyway, so there is a Devata. If the sun is held, there is a Devata who is holding it. I hope you are clear. That Rudra is expressing as the Sun Devata. And he governs everything. And they say, Bhagavad is written, when Pralaya happened, the orb of the sun starts increasing. Apne aap sab khatam. Whole ocean will dry in no time. They are on the same spot located, imagine that. And therefore it is said, Asau yas tamro. See the word. Asau means this. Yah tamraha. Tamra means reddish in color. Asau yas tamra. Arunaha. Light red. Ut babru. Babru means golden hue. Sumangalaha is very auspicious. It's called Drishta Devata. Drishta Bhagwan. Surya Bhagwan hai wo. Therefore every morning we offer Lord Sun, water to Lord Sun. Offer from here, head, not from the bottom. The water should go in front of your eyes. It should be from this point. Morning sandhya if you are doing. From this point. Put some kumkum, etc. in that water. Ye chemagam rudraha abhito dikshu shritaha. Lot of rudra are around me. Around me? Vayu is also Rudra. Agni is also Rudra. Everywhere Lord is there. For what? For what? To give fruit of action. It can protect also, destroy also. Same Agni can burn the whole fire. Same water can create landslide everywhere. Rudra hai unka roop. Oh, in Kerala, landslide came. Same Rudra can enter into the food and create food poisoning also. उसी का अलग अलग फॉर्म हो गया. Same Rudra can prompt a snake to enter the house also. अरे बाप रे snake. Sahasrasho Vaishagam. Vaishagam. What Vaishagam? Vai is there. Aisham. Head. Head means not head. Head means anger. Anger. Imahe. I pacify your anger. Ava has to be used in Sanskrit. I pacify your anger. All the Rudra are around us, in front of earthquake, tsunami, all is form of Rudra only. It has entered everywhere. And entering everywhere, it does everything. Cylinder blasted. Lift collapsed. Why? That Rudra is sitting there. Everywhere Rudra is there to give us protection also and punishment also. And therefore, please don't be angry upon me. Hate means, please withdraw your anger. Please remain quiet. Please don't see my bad fruits of action. Ye chemagam rudra bito dikshushita sahasrasho vaishagam hedaye. And then it is said, please let us read the next 8th verse. 8th. So I'm seeking help because he can dilute my fruits of action. Somebody says and pleads, you are very angry. He said, please remain quiet. How long I will be quiet? Please remain quiet. Please remain. If you are angry and somebody just says humbly, please remain quiet. Please be. Your anger will come down. Because sankalp has a shakti. What is written next? Please read. Asau yo vasarpate nilagrivo vilohitah. Utainam gopadrishan nadrishan udaryah. Utainam vishwa bhutani sadrishto mridayatinah. I am not reading twice. It is said here. So, asau yo avasarpati. Avasarpati means it moves in the sky. This is glory of sun. Nilagriva. Ab dekho Mahadev ko le. Nilagriva means when the churning of the ocean was going on, the first poison came. When you do sadhana, first poison will come in the mind. So don't worry about that. So Bhagavad says, these devatas, Vishnu Bhagwan said, go and give to him. He is expert in drinking poison. Lord. Or 14 jewels came, nothing to give. ये गलत बात. So poison लेके सब पहुंच गए. Parvati ji is first he asked Parvati ji because बगल में बैठे. To keep wife into confidence, just keep on asking something. You may follow or not, just ask. So in hand he took that. Like this. I think some calendar also show like that. So there he drank. He didn't take to the heart. Heart is meant for Lord. Heart should not be sad. And never take it to the tongue. It should become acidic. But remember, in life you have to drink poisons. It can be some person's poison, your health's poison. More you can take the poison, greater you are. Without making your heart sore and tongue acidic. Because everybody around you will not be all the time good. And this is called Shiva. This is called Rudra. Nilagriva. They say he has a blue neck. That effect of poison still persists. Okay. Dekho, earlier it was the sun and now he came to Nilagriva. That means that Rudra alone is expressing as the sun. Oh, very good. Then again he came back to sun now. Ut enam. Enam is to that. Dvitiya vibhakti is there. Etat. From etat it come ek enam. Enam. What is? Gopa adrishan. Shepherds or the Gopa means the cowherd boy. They saw him. They saw him means they saw that sun also. Maybe they saw Shivji also. They saw him. You know the famous story in Mahabharata? Kirat Arjun Prasang is there. Kirat Arjun Prasang. Arjun was doing tapasya. Lord was happy. Lord Shiva came in the form of a tribal person. With a tribal woman was Parvati ji. I think he was running after one boar. And that boar was disturbing Arjun. Arjun shot. Now both fought. He said, it is mine. Arjun said, it is mine. I killed. Bole, but I was chasing. Why did you come in between? Both had a good gun. He said, don't. Arjun said, don't say, I'll shoot you. Bole, Achha, you'll shoot me. He shot. Bhagwan did like this. Forget about arrow touching him also. It didn't touch, all got neutralized. Everything got over. And here, that long, there's one temple also somewhere. That Kirat Arjun temple is there. Very tall, the matted hairs were there, very dark. He's standing and smiling. Well, now shoot, keep on doing that. Keep on. Well, when he totally got disgusted and tired, after many hours, Bhagwan was just playing. The power behind the arrow, in the arrow to come is also, there is also Rudra. Then he again went to worship Lord. Moment he put Vilupatra and the flower, it landed on him. Again he put, then he understood. It comes in Mahabharata. I think around 2 chapters are there. Kirat Parv is there. You should read Mahabharata. They say, no, keeping Mahabharata in the house, we fight. Without keeping also they are fighting. Nothing is there. So, Uttainam, Gopadrishan. Acha. Udarya. Udarya is women who carry the water. Adrishan. Adrishan will go here also. Huh? If you know little Sanskrit, you can enjoy more. They also saw him. That means women also. And of course, cowherd women. Then Vishwani Bhutani. Vishwa here means samast. All world people saw him. Adrishan will go here. Adrishan world will go here also. 3 places Adrishan will go. So Utainam Vishwa Bhutani Adrishan, full stop. Sadrishtah, the one who was seen by so many people. What shall it? Mridayatinaha. Naha means asmakam. Make us happy. Mridayatinaha. Mridayati means make us happy. Naha means asmakam. Mridayati, make us happy. That means let me be happy, let me be fulfilled. Let not any issues come unnecessarily. And even if issues come, let my mind not be receiving it. I should not be holder of sorrow in my life. Sorrow comes and goes, but we are holder of sorrows. Egoistic person means who holds one point unnecessarily. Ego means one who holds a wrong thought for a long time at the cost of being said also. He is a holder of a wrong thought for a long time. Every egoistic person is a very stubborn person. He doesn't allow it to go. That thought should go away. But Mridayatina, please give us joy. Earlier he said, don't become angry. Now they are saying, please give us joy. Give us joy means, come in my mind. Give us some knowledge. Give us some devotion. Give us some love. Such a nice prayer is there.